Dr. Marianna Sikorska of National Research Council Canada for her internationally recognized success in both fundamental research and applied research and development. As Principal Research Officer at NRC, Dr. Sikorska has led successful projects in fundamental cell biology and neurobiology and several applied research and development projects resulting in patents, technology transfer, and commercialization. She currently leads a 15-member multidisciplinary team working in the field of neurogenesis and brain repair and is an adjunct professor in the Department of Biochemistry, Microbiology, and Immunology at the University of Ottawa.
I don't like to quit. I like to always bring problems to some kind of conclusion. And very often you maybe do not get the answer that you thought you would get, but you will get some answers along the way, and those answers will lead you in new directions, and that's what science is all about.
Dr. Sikorska's most notable scientific achievement was the proposal of a model of chromosome structure. This work, undertaken in collaboration with her husband, Dr. Roy Walker, was included in the Leninger Biochemistry textbook, the leading textbook authority in this field. It also led to her team's important discovery of a series of signaling events that cause cell death.
At that time, we didn't recognize that it would have a link to cancer research, but actually it did. The drugs that we were using for probing the chromatin structure turns out to be the drugs which were used in clinic as a chemotherapeutic drugs. And as we were sort of looking at the effect those drugs had on cells, we realized that they were also killing cells, which turned out to be the beginning of apoptotic cell deaths and the research into programmed cell deaths.
Dr. Sikorska's work in the field of apoptosis led to her discovery of a solubilization technology for hydrophobic bioactive compounds. It's considered one of the most important scientific contributions from the National Capital Region. A U.S. company is currently developing products based on Dr. Sikorska's patented technology.
Coenzyme Q10 is naturally occurring antioxidant. It's also a component of mitochondrial respiratory chain, so it's very important for energy production in the cell. And there are many anecdotal reports and actually now published evidence that coenzyme Q10 would have great benefits in cardiovascular diseases as well as in neurodegeneration. So making that molecule more bioavailable, much easier absorbed by human body, it has a great potential.
Dr. Sikorska has amassed an outstanding record as a groundbreaking researcher. Over 120 papers published in peer-reviewed international journals, 5 patents, and 8 book chapters. She is an in-demand speaker on the national and international circuit and a committed mentor who leads by example.
I just need to understand, and I guess that's what's been driving me throughout my career, trying to understand, trying to see how cell works, trying to see how chromatin is organized, trying to see how to dissolve things that could be of better benefit to mankind.
OCRI Life Sciences is pleased to present its 2008 Career Achievement Award to Dr. Marianna Sikorska.